Hello friends, welcome to Exams Made Easy. I hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to discuss a recruitment notification that has been published by Power Grid Corporation of India Limited, which is also known as PGCIL. PGCIL is going to recruit apprentices in various engineering disciplines. And friends, before starting our discussion regarding this recruitment notification, let me remind all of you that here in Exams Made Easy, you can get all the engineering recruitment notifications time to time, be it central government recruitment notification, all the other state government recruitment notifications, and also friends, all the public sector undertaking organizations recruitment notification. So if you are first here, if you are watching our videos for the first time, then please subscribe our channel and never forget to press the bell icon to never miss any further update. So friends, now we are going to discuss this recruitment notification in detail. As you can see here on the screen, PGCIL is going to recruit the apprentices in various engineering disciplines. So who are eligible? Basically engineering diploma and degree holders are eligible, and total number of posts are 114, and last date of application is 14 June 2020. So if you look at the various disciplines, number of vacancies 114, and the various disciplines are electrical engineering, civil engineering, human resource, electrical engineering diploma, human resource diploma, and assistant in human resource. So basically friends, the vacancies are distributed among the graduate degree holders and diploma holders in the various engineering disciplines. And friends, educational qualification, as already mentioned, according to the posts, that in electrical engineering 69 posts are reserved for graduates, as well as in electrical engineering 23 number of posts are reserved for diploma. So educational qualification is both graduate and diploma in respective trades as mentioned above, as you can see. So friends, candidates who have passed their final year examination not before 2 years from the date of advertisement are only eligible to apply. So if you have passed your final year examination within the last 2 years, then you will be eligible for the above mentioned posts. And consolidated pay of 15,000 will be provided for graduate engineering degree holders, and amount of 1200 will be provided to diploma holders. And friends, the vacancies in Power Grid Corporation of India Limited, as I have already told, in the Western region number 1, the place of posting of selected candidates will be done on requirement basis within the state of Maharashtra, Goa and Chhattisgarh. And if you'd like to get the PDF copy of this recruitment notification, you can get from the Telegram channel of ours. You can join our Telegram channel from the link which is available in the description box of this video. Otherwise friends, we already have provided the PDF copy in the description box of this video also. By following that PDF copy, you also can download this specific PDF, right? So friends, online application has already been started from 23rd May 2020 and it will continue till 14 June 2020. And after filling up the form online, you have no need to send the printed copy to any specific address. You just have to keep the printed copy with yourself for the time being. And friends, let me remind you once again that last date of application is 14 June 2020. And if you are having any problems, if you would like to know further informations, then please let us know by commenting in the comment box below. And friends, lastly, I would like to request all of you once again, please subscribe our channel to get engineering recruitment notifications every day, and never forget to press the bell icon. Thanks for watching as always. Have a nice day ahead.